For this activity, we need a pink color paper, a scissor, ice cream stick, green color crayon and Fevicol. First of all, we make a square like this. Okay, now cut it. Square paper. Okay, now fold it. It looks like a triangle. Now little fold and press from center. Fold like this. Okay, same fold from this side. Wow, it looks beautiful. Children, now take ice cream stick and color with green crayon like this. Okay, now it's ready. Now paste it like this. Ready. Wow, tulip flower looks so pretty. Pink tulip flower.